In the previous class, we are learning about the rivet joints. Rivet joint is a permanent fastener, and the arc welding also is a permanent fastener. Okay. See, arc welding is a permanent fastener which will join two metal strip by welding metal strips by welding, which will melt the two edges of the metal, and parent metal will fill in these gaps. So to join two or more different parts, different flats, or any iron metal joined together is called welding. It is a fastener. This is permanent fastener. Okay. So arc welding can do on metals like mild steel and stainless steel, cast iron. In the different methods, we will do the welding to join two different parts. That is the introduction of arc welding. Okay. When you are doing arc welding, we have to follow some safety precautions, because when we are doing the welding, the arc produced by the electrode is dangerous to our eyes, because it emits ultraviolet rays. This ultraviolet rays enters into our eyes, and it will damage your retina. So, to not to allow the ultraviolet rays direct into the eyes, and in the same time we have to see the where the welding is doing. We are doing the welding. There, the welding has to be done perfectly in the systematic way. So we have to see, definitely we have to see, and in the same time the light should not pass to your eyes. So in between this ultraviolet rays and our eyes, we are using the filter glasses which will avoid ultraviolet rays to put rays fall on your retina directly. Okay, this is the first safety we have to follow when we are doing arc welding. Okay. Now next, when this arc welding is doing with electrode and all, the place where we are doing, the metal will melt. So generally the iron metal is 1800 degrees centigrade. But when this iron is melting, where we are doing welding, it will have more temperature than 2400 to 3000 degrees centigrade. Okay. When this metal is melting, the metal will oxidized. Okay. In the same time, what happens is, when we are doing welding, the oxidized metal has to be removed to get the good perfect welding. So when we are doing the welding, the electrode chemical coating on the wire, which is having chemical coating, that one melt along with this welding when it is in the molten state. This chemical will produce more temperature, to increase the temperature to melt that one. At the same time, the chemical what burn by this metal melting point, the fumes will come out, such as fumes are hazard fumes, and these fumes will affect your eyes. And same time, the oxidized metal also will come in the atmosphere. It will expand to your atmosphere. When you are doing breathing and all, it will affect your body. So first main safety what you have to means, you have to use filter glasses. Filter glasses. Now general safety, when you are doing arc welding and all, see that when you are using the welding machine, the connection from the board to the welding machine should have perfect connection without any leakage of the wire. Next, see that electrode wire, solder wire and earth wire should have a good condition without any naked wire in the middle. Okay. Now, when we are doing this arc welding, we have to follow some general safety precaution also. In this general safety precaution, not your personal safety, for others also you have to follow the general safety precautions. First, when you enter into the workshop, see that your ground floor where you are working, it should be clean and tidy without any oil patches. The flammable things also should not be in the workshop, such as cotton waste, timber, grease, oily substance, lubricants, like that. Okay. Because when we doing the arc welding, directly arc produce the flame. This flame may be expand if the flammable material is there, it will make accident to you. Okay. Now keep the all flammable things not nearby to the arc welding equipment. Arc welding equipment, that is equipment means machine. Okay. And other safety, you make a booth, means generally you have to in the four walls where it has to enclose not to attack other persons ultraviolet rays to their eyes also. Means in the workshop nearby the other people also doing working, for them to protect we have to, in the three sides we have to put the screens which is having a translucent, means it will same time we can see from the other side and same time we cannot see inside, means it will not completely transparent. Okay. Now this will avoid the ultraviolet rays to not to attack the to their other people's eyes. Now what we will do? And in general safety precaution, you have to wear proper clothing. Okay, don't wear a synthetic dress. You wear cotton dress and it should be wrapped with the apron, leather apron, and use for hands asbestos glosses which is having asbestos glosses. Okay, when we are working with the welding material, the welding flats and other material will become hot. To handle that one, lift and twist or tilt, we have to use hands to keep them in the height and width side. We have to hold with your hand. So wear the gloves, wear the goggles or screen goggles. See, sometimes these filter glasses also nowadays we are available. Same time when you wear, when arc is produced only, the filter glasses will work. This is called when arc fall on the glass, it will become dark. When arc is not produced while doing welding, the glass will become transparent. Okay, this is photo gray, like that. It will become a black color. Wear goggles, wear good clothing with apron, wear shoes, protective shoes which are used in the industries to wear the shoes. The shoes should have the protective sole and the protective for your toes. And after doing the work, when this workpiece is kept aside by, you write on this or the keep under the board where the hot don't touch. The material is hot, don't touch. You have to keep the board. Or you write hot on the workpiece, latest welding done hot. So they will not touch. Okay. These are all the safety precautions. And use hot don't touch board, or you keep directly write with the chalk piece on that workpiece. These are all the safety precautions you have to. And other than this one, general safety precaution, when we are working, we will be knowing what are all the safety precautions. Same way in the gas welding, this is arc welding. This is in the gas welding also we have to follow the safety precautions. Okay, this is the arc welding where introduction, where we join the two metals by melting the edges with the parent metal, that is called electrode we are using. When we are joining these two edges, the temperature produced here is 2400 degrees above. Okay. So after completing the work, you have to write hot or keep under the hot. Safety precaution where while doing welding, wear filter glasses, wear apron, wear mask. Sometimes you have to wear mask also. Hazard fumes. When you are breathing, this chemical hazard fumes will come into your breathing section. When you are inhaling and exhaling, the hazard will go. Sometimes we have to use the exhausting type of equipments which hazards gases has to be exhausted by the fan. And general safety where don't allow others to see the arc welding. You have to work in the booth where the screens are put, and don't keep any flammable things nearby the welding machine. These are all the safety we have to see in the arc welding. Now we will move to the gas welding. Gas welding. This is made by electric. We are using this arc welding machine. We are using electric. Whereas in the gas welding, we are using gas to weld the two different parts, same as by melting. Here, to do gas welding of the same way, we use the parent metal and fill up this. The temperature what is produced here is nearly 3200 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now this gas welding we are using. Sometimes we will call it oxyacetylene welding. Okay. Means here the gas. What we are using is oxygen. Second one is acetylene. Okay, we are using two gases, oxyacetylene. Acetylene is the fuel to burn. Oxygen helps to increase temperature. Okay, these are the two gases we are using in the gas welding. Okay, one is oxygen gas, second one is acetylene gas. This oxyacetylene gas, when you are using the oxyacetylene gas, these gases are filled in the iron bottles, means containers, with heavy pressure, 6 kgs per centimeter cube. 6 kgs per centimeter cube. 1 cubic centimeter, nearly 6 kgs pressure we will have in that. So, when you are using this oxyacetylene gases, you have to use it very carefully, not mishandle it. And when you are using this oxyacetylene gas to take the gas to the welding, it has to be systematically, sensitively you have to work to open the gas. Okay. Now, in the gas welding, when you lit the torch, means for welding we are using one torch. In this torch, the oxyacetylene gas both will connect with the two pipes of hose pipes. This will allow the gas to enter into the torch, where in the torch in the middle section the oxy and acetylene gas will get mixed. Okay, this oxy and acetylene gas should be mixed, and through the nozzle it will come out. Through the nozzle it will come out the gas. Here we will lit the gas with the help of a lighter, what we use in the home, in the house of the kitchen to lit the stove. Same lighting torch will use to lit this one. So this is the introduction of this oxyacetylene gas welding. A safety precaution, same way what you followed in the arc welding. Don't keep nearby any flammable things, because directly flame here it is. Directly flame it is there. So it will get a fire accident. Okay. So because of we are working with in arc welding or gas welding with the fire directly, it will produce the flames. So in this place we have to, for safety, if any accidents take place, to make it is stop, we have to use fire extinguisher, sand buckets. These all things you have to be, as you learn in the starting in the beginning of fitting section, safety precautions, fire safety, fire accidents and all. To avoid these fire accidents, because we are working with the fire, to avoid the when unexpectedly fire accident take place, you have to make it stop the fire accident. We will use the fire extinguisher signs and see. For different types of fire accident, different methods we have to stop the fire accident. How to stop? The example, if electrical loose contact of a naked wire take place a fire accident. So if you put directly water on that, you will get accident. Means the current will pass through the water and you. So for different types of accidents for the fire, we have to use a different fire extinguishers, different method to stop that one. And these all things we learn in the first beginning of this fitting first year trade. These all are the safety. General safety, you wear the apron, wear the goggles here, and this is very dangerous than to the arc welding, because where this 3200 degrees centigrade when it is produced, we are sitting very nearby and doing welding and all. This temperature, it will affect your eyes, skin and face also. So better to have a mask, goggles, and use. This is more dangerous than the arc welding. If you misuse a little bit of mixing of oxy or acetylene gas in this different ratio, also it will make the fire action. So you be careful while doing the gas welding.